Today I'm discuss about Python introduction. So what is Python? Python is a object oriented programming language and it is a platform independent programming language. Okay, so in the market the number of programming languages is there like C language, C++, Java, like a Python is also one of the programming language. Okay, so programming language, what is the use of the programming languages? First of all, using the programming language we can implement the application, we can create the applications, either static application or web based applications. Any type of application we can develop using the Python programming language. Also we can develop the applications, either static application or web based applications or mobile applications. Any type of application we can develop. That's why Python is a flexible programming language and easy to understand programming language. Okay, so any programming language follow one pattern. The pattern is object. Python follow one pattern. The pattern is object oriented programming language. What is object oriented programming language? If you perform any functionality through object, that programming language is called object oriented programming language. Functionality means the programming language expect input values and after calculations it send response to user. So whatever input value and output values, those functionalities are performed through object name dot value, object name dot method. We perform that functionality like that. Through object we are perform functionalities. That's why it is called object oriented programming language. So Python is one of the object oriented programming language. So object oriented programming language is okay. Then it is also platform independent programming language. What is a platform independent? Platform independent means the application we can communicate with any operating system, either Windows operating system or Linux or Mac. Also we can perform functionalities. Okay, so why? Because internally in PVM contain one product that is called PVM, Python virtual machine. What is the work of the PVM? The main intention of the PVM is whatever application we are develop using the Python programming language, that entire application is loaded into PVM and it will generate the application. First of all it will check syntactically the program is correct or not. Then after that it will generate the output of that program and it is a convert the information into specific operating system understandable language. That is the work of the PVM. That's why Python programming language is a platform independent programming language, because internally it's contain PVM, Python virtual machine. Okay, it's a platform independent means that application we can perform from any operating system. Okay, for suppose my Python application is contain Windows 10 operating system. Okay, my Python application contain in Windows 10 operating system. So some other person can communicate from any other operating system also, like a Linux operating system or Windows 11 operating system or Mac operating system. Also from those operating systems from we can perform the functionalities. Because of my application, my Python application is a platform independent application. Okay, and it is a interpreter language. Interpreter means, what is interpreter? Interpreter means, see, like HTML is one of the interpreter language because it doesn't require to compilation. Directly we can execute the program. Same as here Python is also directly we can execute the program. Interpreter language is different, interpreter is different. Interpreter is convert the information, that operating is understandable language, convert the information line by line code. That is a interpreter work. Interpreter language means the language doesn't contain any compiler. Okay, so directly it will execute a program like a HTML language, HTML program. So Python is also doesn't require, it doesn't contain any compiler, Python language. Okay, and which application they use Python language? Like nowadays YouTube and Google, Yahoo, lot of companies are they use Python because more flexibility programming language. Python is a more flexibility compared with Java. So Java is a purely object oriented and it doesn't support any functional oriented. but Python, it is support functional oriented also. Using the functions also we can perform the functionalities, like we can implement the applications. Okay, easily understandable. Okay, so easily implemented using compare with Java language. Okay, so that is the importance of the Python. Okay, so what are the requirement softwares are required? What are the softwares are required? Actually, for develop the applications, first of all we need Python software. So those Python software we can download from python.org. It is a official website. From the download option you can choose this thing. This is the button. Okay, directly we can click and download that software and we can install directly. It doesn't require to any configurations. Okay, this is the first we require to Python software. So when you install the Python software, after that we can get Python shell. So Python software, for suppose here I have Python software, this one, this is called Python shell. So from Python shell also we can do the programs, like this is a Python shell environment. Okay, we can do like this functionalities. So it is an inbuilt product. Okay, otherwise one of the environment is VSCode or PyCharm or plain notepad also. So VSCode we can download from this environment, this URL. This is a Windows, this is a Linux, this is a Mac. Okay, or we can using the PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm is not a open source, it is a product purchased version. But if you want using Python, then we can take PyCharm communication version, community version, not communication, community version we can take. So from this URL. Okay, or else we can do in notepad also. So from this URL. Okay, current version is 8.8.9. okay, so these are the URLs we can take from this environment. See, Python shell is from the software of the Python. Next, notepad, from this URL we can get. Okay, then VS Code we can get from this URL. Already I show those URLs also, those software. Then PyCharm, then you can download this one. This is the official website from all URLs. So it's a community version. Okay, from community version if you take from this URL. Okay, so Python software is, this is a URL for Python. Okay, so actually this is the thing, this is the introduction about the Python. Okay, thank you.